day everyone, I am Joanna Angelica Diconon. These are the objectives of our report. First, define the media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy. Second, identify the similarities and differences of media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy. Number 3, determine the qualities of being media information and technology literate individual. Now let's proceed the next reporter, Mr. Demaala.
But before anything else, let us do a warm-up activity on one whole sheet of paper. This statement of Edward R. Murrow states that he acknowledges the remarkable speed at which information can be shared across the globe. However, he also warns that this same speed can also accelerate the spread of false information. In short, while technology allows fast communication, it also brings risk that misinformation can spread quickly and widely. It's a reminder to be cautious about what we believe and what we share, as not all the information we receive is true.
Hi, my name is Xavier, and now I am going to discuss the third part of the module. Now, let us proceed to what's new.
Activity 1, all about fake news. Have you come across this report online? Examine the given news and answer the following questions. Use a separate piece of paper to write your answers. Explain only in 1 to 2 sentences. So this is a news from the Facebook page Digo. It was posted 17 hours ago. Shocking revelation! Di ako makapaniwala sa lumabas na balitang ito. Kaya pala tinatakpan palagi ni Karen si Trillanes habang nag-e-interview siya. OMG! Punctuation mark. Panoorin at dapat nyo itong malaman. Please share guys. Punctuation mark. Caption, Bistado. Punctuation mark. Bank accounts ni Trillanes at relasyon ni Karen. ptbbalita.info. From the source, short url .at/yzux. Number 1. Do you believe this news item is true? Number 2. How did you know this is true or false news? Number 3. Are all news and information on the internet true? Why or why not? Number 4. Who gets to post news items online? Explain your answer.
Certainly, we all have encountered and read a lot of fake news that we see on various social media platforms. Not only that, we can also hear them on TV, radios, and even information given by our friends or neighbors. So how do we determine if the information is fake or not? Let's learn more about this.
Media are physical objects that used to communicate, including mass media like radio, television, computers, film, etc. So traditionally, yung media daw is ito yung source of credible information natin na dumadaan muna sa process na editorial process determined by journalistic values. And kung ano yung mga nilalaman doon is maaari siyang iakma or may accountability yung isang organization or legal na tao sa mga pinaglalagay nilang information sa media. Pero these days, hindi lahat ng information is dumadaan sa maayos na process like editorial process and hindi rin malinaw kung sino yung mga responsable sa mga pinaglalagay nilang information sa media. In short, yung information is yung data na naayos at nabigyan siya ng kahulugan para maging useful ito sa paggawa ng decision at pangunawa ng mga tao.
Moreover, technology not only includes machines like computers, but also yung mga techniques and processes kagaya po kung paano natin pinoproduce yung mga computer chips. It might seems like all technology is only electronic, kaya po ng gadgets, computers, sasakyan, mga ganyan po. But a hammer and the wheel are the two examples of early human technology. Media literacy and information literacy have always been linked, but the greater accessibility of content via internet and mobile platforms has meant that those literacies are increasingly intertwined. UNESCO considered information literacy and media literacy together as media and information literacy, or MIL. So let us familiarize the similarities and differences of these important terms. Let's go now to terms to understand. First is media literacy. The ability to read, analyze, evaluate, and produce communication in variety of media forms. Media literacy, knowing how to understand, analyze, and create messages in all sorts of media like TV, movies, websites, and social media. It's about being a smart consumer of information and being able to create your own media effectively.
So yung information literacy, it is the ability to recognize when information is needed and to locate, evaluate, effectively use, and communicate information in its various formats. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay ang pagiging marunong sa pagkuha ng tamang information, pag-alam kung paano ito suriin kung ito ba ay totoo at kapaki-pakinabang, at kung paano ito gamitin at iparating sa iba sa wastong paraan. So sa technology or digital literacy, it is the ability to use digital technology, communication tools or networks to locate, evaluate, use, and create information. Dito naman pumapasok yung pagiging bihasa or may alam sa paggamit ng mga modern technologies like computers, smartphones, and internet para makahanap ng information and suriin if credible information ba yung nakukuha natin and gamitin ito ng maayos at gumawa ng sariling nilalaman o information.
That we have already discussed what media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy are, let us proceed to this activity in order for us to test your understanding of the topic. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each of the question. Let us start now. The answer for number 1 is letter F. The information may be fake if there is no author. Dahil kahit sa ang reliable news site tayo pumunta, ay talagang nilalagay nila kung sino ang nagsulat at kung kailan sinulat ng artikulong iyon. And the fact na walang author ang iyong information, magduda ka na dahil sino ang i-hold accountable mo kung sakaling mali man ang informasyon na nakuha at naipakalat mo. Kung may pangalan man ito, maaari nating i-double check ang credibility ng nagsulat, unlike kapag wala na hindi natin alam kung sino ang responsible para sa content na iyon. The answer for number 2 is letter F as well. The outdated news may be true at some point in time, pero if ngayon lang siya ipinamalita at ipinost, then most likely na ang intention nito ay mang-mislead na lamang. Dahil ang pagiging timely ng isang balita is one of the indicators if the news is still accurate. For example, matagal na nangyari ang isang event pero ngayon lamang ito ipinost or ipinaalam sa mga sambayanan. So most likely na hindi na ito accurate dahil nga meron ng mga pagbabago, meron ng mga development at iba na siya, iba na ang sitwasyon niya sa konteksto ng kasalukuyang panahon. The answer for number 3 is R. It's truthful kasi the fact na maraming factual evidences ang naka-attach doon sa source, ibig sabihin lamang nito ay pinag-aralang mabuti yung balita bago ito isulat. Plus, if mayroong quotes or statistics from experts, then pwede nating i-double check yung credibility ng mga eksperto na ibinanggit sa artikulong iyon. At isa pa, pwede nating ma-double check if nag-exist pa yung mga statistics, mga quotations na sinabi raw ng author na iyon. The answer for number 4 is F. Because one of the most important rules in journalism is that the headline should match with the whole content, especially the lead, which is the first line and the first paragraph of the news. If ever hindi nag-match, ipapaulit agad ito ng section editor. So most likely, if hindi match ang content at ang headline ng isang impormasyon na ating nakuha, ibig sabihin lang nun ay hindi ito dumaan sa isang masusing proseso na ginagawa karaniwan ng mga tao sa journalism industry. At isa pa, ini-indicate din ito na ang nagsulat ng balitang tinignan natin ay hindi rin professional or expert. The answer for number 5 is letter R. It's truthful kasi yung mga URL na ang end ay .gov or .edu hindi ganoon kadaling makuha dahil maproseso siya. Exclusive lang yung .gov sa mga agency ng gobyerno at exclusive lang yung .edu sa mga DepEd or CHED-accredited private and public schools. Isa pa, pinapurchase or binabayaran ito. At bago mo mabili ang mga ganitong domains, kailangan mo na may proof ka na ikaw ay DepEd-accredited or CHED-accredited na private or public schools. At para naman sa .gov na domain, kailangan naman mayroon kang recommendations mula sa mga nakatataas bilang isang proof na ikaw ay galing nga sa gobyerno.
So now, let's move on to activity 2. Just like before, it will be also answered on one whole sheet of paper. This activity makes us determine which one shows media, information, and technology literate individual. So the first, second, and fifth scenarios are, and the third and fourth scenarios are not. So the third and fourth scenarios are not because they assume that the information is true and reliable without verifying the accuracy or credibility of the sources.
So, ito yung summary ng aming report. Ang media literacy, ito yung kakayahang maunawaan at gamitin ang iba't ibang uri ng media tulad ng TV, radyo at social media. Kabilang na rin dito yung pag-aaral kung paano suriin at gumawa ng mensahe mula sa media. Ang information literacy naman, ito yung kakayahang malaman kung kailan kailangan ng information at kung paano hanapin, suriin at gamitin ng tama. Ang technology literacy naman, ito yung kakayahang gumamit ng mga digital na kagamitan tulad ng computers at smartphones para makahanap, suriin at lumikha ng information. And ang pinagkaiba naman ng media literacy at technology literacy, pareho sila na gumagamit ng visual pero magkaiba sila ng layunin. Ang media literacy kasi nakafocus sa paggawa at pag-unawa ng communication sa iba't ibang uri ng media tulad ng mga video, pictures at teksto. Ang technology literacy naman ay nakafocus sa paggamit ng digital na mga kagamitan para makahanap, mag-organize at lumikha ng information. Technology literacy naman at information literacy naman ay magkaiba sila pero may pagkakapareho pagdating sa paghawak at paggamit ng information. Ang technology literacy kasi is mas nakafocus sa pag-aayos at paggawa ng information gamit ang mga digital na tools. Ang information literacy naman ay nakatuon sa pamamahala at pag-collect ng information. So, that's all. Thank you.